Which subnet mask would you use for 172.31.0.0 network such that you can get 50 subnets and 900 hosts per subnet? The given network is 172.31.0.0. First of all, identify the class to which this address belongs to. The first octet shows that it is a class B network, and hence the first two octets identify the network. So we shall open the remaining octets. Now, in order to subnet this network according to these requirements, determine the number of bits to be borrowed from the host identification part. The requirement is we need 50 subnets and each subnet should support at least 900 hosts. With 5 bits, by borrowing 5 bits from the host identification part, we can form only 32 subnets, and by borrowing 6 bits from the host identification part, we can form 64 subnets. So here we should borrow 6 bits from the host identification part. Accordingly, we can apply the new subnet mask. The old subnet mask for this class B network was 255.255.0.0. Now we are adding 6 more bits to the network identification part. So the new subnet mask is 255.255.6 ones followed by all zeros, which is 255.255.252.0. Thus, by applying the subnet mask 255.255.252.0 to this class B network, we can divide this network into 64 equal-sized subnetworks. Now, let's see how many hosts can be addressed within each subnet, because here the organization should support 900 hosts within each subnet. The number of hosts that can be addressed within each subnet is 2 power 10 minus 2. The total number of IP addresses available is 2 power 10. Among them, one address is used as the network address and one address is used as the directed broadcast address. So the number of host addresses available is 2 power 10 minus 2. So the number of hosts that can be addressed is 1024 minus 2, 1022. So the requirements are satisfied.